here with Wilfred Bastian, and he's the owner of this, I want to say Grease Lightning. But this is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Now, let's talk about the car and also you. I mean, you got the hat, you got the whole atmosphere going on.
Well, this is how you separate the man from the boys, by the price of their toys.
Okay.
And this is the big boy toys.
All right. Now, let's talk about this car now. I mean, it looks spotless. How much effort did you put into restoring this car?
Well, I put a lot of effort into this car. Yeah, when I bought this car, it had no back trunk, no floors, no windshield. I just sandblast and prime. And a 7 years project. Yeah, God had brought us from a mighty long way. It took me about 7 to 8 years to complete it. But by the grace of God, He allowed me to complete it and bring it back home.